Hey, what's up guys, MagicMon here. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I was actually on a canoe trip for like 4 days, so that was actually really fun. But anyways, I'll definitely be posting more now that school is starting back up because in summer I just feel like I was super busy all the time. So anyways, I should be posting more. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to switch out any 4 cards for, so basically you have the spectator pick any 4 cards freely, and then you basically switch them to whatever you want them to be, but it looks like you're just showing them the cards they picked. So that's what I'm going to try today. So let's get into it. So you can have the spectator pick any 4 cards, doesn't matter. So let's say it's these 4. So I'll just take these and leave the deck on the table, and the cards that you selected just happen to be the 4 aces. So that is the trick. Stick around for the tutorial. Okay guys, so the setup for this trick is the 4 cards you're gonna want to be on the bottom of the deck. So I use the 4 aces. You can do this, so you cannot do this with 1 card, like only changing 1 card, which is kind of disappointing, but you can use 2. I've actually done that like in a trick before. Like it was like they picked 2 random cards, and then you shuffle the deck, and then like you put them on the bottom, and then you pick 2 cards, and then it's like, wow, they picked their cards that they selected. So that's a cool idea. You could use 3. I'd say 2 is the lowest you can use, but 4 is probably the best, to be honest. So basically all you're gonna need is a break under these bottom 4 cards, so you can riffle off 4. Don't do this when you're gonna go up to someone. Don't be like, oh hey, can I show you a magic trick? Or like, hey, can I show you a magic trick? Okay, so do not do that. That's just bad. You could just spread through and then pick the cards and then get a break under those 4 and then do it. Or while you're doing it, while you're having them pick the cards, after you have them pick all the cards, you can get your pinky under the last 4 and then do that. I just prefer to have it ahead of time. So anyways, so you're basically just going to, once you get a break under those 4 cards, you're going to have them just touch 4 cards and just out jog them as you go. So like this. So once you have the 4 cards like this, all out jogged, you're going to so I use my right hand to hold the deck, so I'm gonna slide it to the right. Now you guys, if you're not like left-handed, I'm not left-handed, but I use my left hand. It's kind of weird, but anyways, if you're right-handed, you're gonna tilt it this way, because then this hand is gonna be clipping it. But for me, I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay. So anyways, once you get it, you're going to take your middle finger and your thumb and put it right here. There should be a little gap right here where you can put your middle finger, and your thumb can just go on the back. Then all you're going to do is, while you're going to grab these cards out and pull them out, you're stealing off these cards too. So you're basically tilting these this way and grabbing everything. So you have 8 cards here. Okay? So it's kind of you'll need to practice this a bit. I mean, I was performing it to people and fooling people like the same day I learned it. I'm not saying to do that. I'm just saying, it's pretty easy. Okay, so you're gonna tilt them sideways, and you're gonna take off these 4 cards as you move. So you're gonna tilt this forward and while you're doing this, you're gonna tilt the deck down and grab everything off. You're gonna still have your pinky in that same position like this. Okay, so it's kind of annoying because when you pull them out, you have to get 4 more cards. So okay, so you get your cards, you tilt them sideways, you tilt down, steal the cards off, maintain the break. Now this is where the switch comes. So it's going to look like you're just going to set the deck down like that. That's what it's supposed to look like, okay? But really, you're going to take your deck and come off and steal the top 4 cards as you're setting it down, leaving you with those 4 aces, or whatever cards you're going to have. So, again, you spread through, get the 4 cards. You're going to need to be good at spreading the deck for this, because you're going to have to spread through the entire deck. So then, anyways, you're going to spread this, go down, tilt, steal everything, come over, take everything off, set the deck down, show that you have the 4 aces. So, that is the tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, also, you can apply this to a trick. Like I said before, I use this for like a trick. You could say, if you know twisting the aces or an ace routine with just 4 aces, you could just have them, you could go up to someone. It would be kind of funny if you're like, here, so I have a deck of cards here, and I need you to pick the 4 aces for me. And then you're like, okay. You're like, just try your best. And then you have them pick 4 cards, and you're like, good job, you picked the aces, good job. And then you just do your routine, whatever. That would be kind of a fun trick to do. But anyways, that's the video. I hope you liked it. I already said that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.